Hey everybody, with all the uncertainty going on in the world today, have you started to question your career, where you're at, your business, what the future may look like? Have you ever thought about a career in real estate? We like to provide opportunities for persons to come in, explore the industry, learn about the industry, and if they're intrigued by the opportunities that they see there, we'll help hold their hand and see it in practical terms on a day-to-day use, and we can actually take that process and help you have business lined up in your pipeline the day you get your real estate license. You have endless opportunities here. Sure, there's some fear in it, but if you're willing to put in the time and effort that you need to do and follow through our systems, I can assure you that those opportunities will be well worth it to you, that there's so much potential and a great market going on right now. Don't miss the opportunity. Now's the time to take those steps, look at real estate as a career for you, and see what those potentials are. You don't have to be scared of it. It's an easy process, and we would love to guide you through it. If you're interested in learning more about a career in real estate, visit our website, click on the careers page, and find out what we can do to help.